The National Museum and Galleries of Wales, home to the nation's largest and most important collection of art. A collection that includes Van Gogh, Monet, Picasso and Turner. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. Underground, the museum's secure vaults store the rest of the priceless collection. Down here lie thousands of works of art that the public very rarely get to see. Until now. For the first time ever, 5 people from all over Wales with no formal art background will have the run of the entire national collection.
I don't usually do this sort of thing. I work in a factory.
I'm a little bit scared, but I think I'll be okay.
You've got to be in it to win it, and I am.
They'll be given unprecedented access to priceless paintings, sculptures and ceramics.
That would look so nice in my lab.
Well, that's a bit erotic. So this is Welsh as well?
Oh, yes.
Their goal? To compete for the chance to put on a show in the National Museum of Wales. Can 5 members of the public show the art world they've got what it takes to become the exhibitionists?